she's happy, and that's how we personally like to express our happiness for each other. And I think it's really sad and pathetic that people have to, kind of try to bring that down, because it's just, I don't know, that's what we like to do. That's like how we like to express our feelings towards each other. And if it changes, that's fine, but I just don't really think it's just kind of mean, I don't really have anything else to say besides it's just kind of I'm happy to have her in my life and say sweet things to her. So I just find it really weird that people have to try to make that seem like a negative thing. It's just pointless. So I don't know. This is probably why a lot of people keep things on the down low, but why are you, get the fuck off me. But nonetheless, I don't know, I just think it's kind of mean. I don't really have anything to say besides, sorry if you find it cringe. If you find it cringe, I would appreciate it if you just blocked me or muted me and tried to find something better to do with your time. That wouldn't be negatively trying to affect somebody's life that is trying, is happy and finding happiness. So yeah, I just felt like I needed to address that. There's not that many people being like that, but there's a lot of people saying, it's middle school vibes or whatever. Fuck it. If that's what it seems like, sure, fuck it. We're happy, okay? I fucking pay my bills. I'm 27 years old. I do a lot of work and stuff, and I like to tell my girlfriend that I like her and be supportive, and she likes to do the same thing, and she also works her ass off, and so I don't know, that's all. I don't know. Anyways, SpongeBob is good. SpongeBob is nice. That was a weird laugh. I should shut up. What is that? There's a lot of weird items on this app. I was gonna stream on Twitch, but my back tattoo took a long time and kind of exhausts you to want to do a big stream. Not that it's a big stream, but a sit down one like that. And so, Mercy, what should we play with? You like your slinky thingies? This is not my cat, by the way. I mean, it is. I'm the father of this cat, but I'm not the owner of the cat. This is the blanket that Mercy was picked up in, though. There's so many toys. The slinky things. She's a big fan of the slinkies. But also there's this. So I don't know. But unfortunately, if I roll this, it will go under my bed. Possibly. Now the thing I found out from having, from choosing to watch a cat is that you have to wipe its butt. That is, because they, are cats. That's been a thing. I really feel like a parent at this point. Animal parent. It's okay though. What are you doing? Why you just want to bite me. You don't even want to play with toys. Just want to play. Potato. Wah! I look orange. Oh my god. Oh well. Please say hi to me, please. I'm sorry I didn't see your name. Anyways, hopefully people will start being nicer. I would like that. I don't like seeing people just be mean to be mean. It's kind of rude. I don't know how else to put it. I sound like a bitch, but it's true. It's just like fucking black. I'm gonna keep on doing what I do though. Oh yeah, my allergies. A lot of people ask about that. I don't know, I've been hanging around Mercy and Walkie and stuff, and I've been okay for the most part. Every now and then I'll take a Claritin. So, Why you not play with this? Go. Uh-oh, did I do a baby voice? Are people gonna roast me? Oh no. Fucking assholes. Anyways. God, there's always like things here. Why do I look orange though? That's my problem. Huh. Hi, Emmy. Skibbity toilet. Yeah. You just pushed the phone. Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that? You want the slinky? The video tomorrow coming out, I think, is probably my favorite one yet. It's like us making meatloaf, me and Jake. It's pretty funny moments. I just watched it all. Grace, I think Grace is doing fine. She's doing well. We talked. She's she's sleeping. What do I do with you? What do we play? Do you not want to play? Don't show your butt. Don't show your butt. I don't know how to make you play with these slinkies. Do I just throw them? Yeah, that kind of worked. But how am I supposed to continue to play? Oh, you have it in your mouth. Oh, no. Okay. You look like you're gonna pounce on it. And then... Okay, now you're playing. Okay, now you're slinking. Now you're... do I not do anything else? You just play with that on your own now? Well, I thought we were... Oh, that's gonna go under my bed. No, it's not. Okay, well... Now you're... combining the slinky with an iPhone cable almost. Which is not good. Yeah, Hey. Under the blanket. Hello people. I don't know what to do with this one. You got that? It's going under my bed. Is it? Yeah. Yeah. That's fun. Play your guitar. I was trying to play games with Mercy, but Mercy's, all of her toys kind of, like, tell me to fuck off once I throw them. Mercy. Oh, you have it. You have it still. Maybe that doesn't... No, it's going to the bed. Get it. Sorry, I'm distracted. You need a fishing pole. Isn't this pretty much one of those? I brought this one because it's small. There's longer. Well, there is a long one. But I brought this one because, I don't know, at first she really liked it. It was just from like a little thing that she got that you didn't think you'd get a toy for, but she got a toy still. They like the bells, cats. You're being lazy about this, Mercy. You're just kind of laying down. You're not even like going at it. You're not trying to fight it. VeggieTales, yeah. Does she know any tricks? She can climb. I think all the cats can do that. She can, no, I don't think she knows tricks. She can sleep. She sleeps. She knows how to drink water and eat food and everything, so she's pretty good. She's pretty smart. And if you want roses, give her a treat. We might have treats. We have food. Fancy food. Fancy smancy cat food. What part? Get a cat for your house. I'm good. I'm happy with Mercy. So I don't need a cat. I have Mercy and Walkie. I've never had a cat in my life, really. But I really like cats now. How do you get the moon tattooed near your eye? With a tattoo machine from an artist that does tattoos. What are you doing? What are you doing? I didn't feel that very well. Oh. Okay. Just doing the thing. Anyways, hopefully people are nicer soon. I don't know. Most people are nice. I just get bummed. I just don't want anyone to be mean, especially to Grace. Shit bugs me. So. SpongeBob is fire. No, the new seasons of SpongeBob I really like. I mean, newer. I don't know, like season 7 and shit. I was like, these are good. They're like good vibes. I'm vibing with them. What do we do? You want the ball now? I think it might be out of 10. Probably a little higher. Can't stop all the things you do. You're such a wreck, it's like I never know the truth. Take it back the way you were. Mercy was just looking at me like wanted the disregard of a path that's haunted. What a shame, what a shame that we always seem to get in a fight. I'm in pain. That's the loudest tambourine. I can't ever seem to make things right. Sink your teeth right into me as I take my one last breath. You want me dead, so here's your wish as you lay my body to rest. You're a vampire, and I was bound to get hurt. Your love is a curse, your love is just the words, and I was bound together. Oh, you've taken what's left of me, and now I'm starting to beg and plead. My body's getting colder, and now I feel like I am a goner. What a shame, what a shame. And we always seem to get in a fight. I'm in pain. Is Carrington here? Oh, I thought you said Carrington. I'm in pain. I can't ever seem to make things right. Sink your teeth right into me as I take my one last breath, my last breath. You want me dead, so here's your wish as you lay my body to rest. You're a vampire, and I was bound together. Your love is a curse. Mercy's literally falling on my shoe while trying to get the slinky like twice in a row. What if I throw it? Oh, it doesn't like keep on rattling. Oh, maybe. It doesn't, yeah. I wonder if, I forgot how to play Karma Police, but that sounds really cool. I wonder. Hi. You're gonna mess up the painting. What are you doing? We should have drawn Mercy too. We funked up. Literally a snowball. You're a snowball. Karma police, arrest this man. He talks in mass. It's like a French, he's like a detuned radio. Karma police, arrest this girl. Her hairdo is making me feel ill, and we have crashed your party. This is what you'll get. This is what you'll get. This is what you'll get when you mess with the mess with. Mess with the mess with the. I don't remember the next one. Mess with the. That's it. Karma police, I'm giving all I can. It's not enough. I'm giving all I can, but we're still on the payroll. This is what you're you okay when you mess with us? That's like, for a minute there, what's the next last one? So I'm doing it without remember the chord. Hello. So it's like, for a minute there, I asked myself. Oh, okay, wait. I figured it out. Stuff on you, bro. Under the sea. You have like a fur thingy in you. Like a for a minute there, I asked myself. No, so I don't know the chord next. Yeah. For a minute there, I asked myself. I don't know if the chord, it's not that for sure. Whatever. Good enough. Mercy's 80 now. Don't bother. Don't speak. I'd have to look at the chords. I don't remember it. Never shall never. Baby, I love you. I never wanna let you go. The more I think about, the more I wanna let you know everything you do is super duper cute, and I can't stand it. I'm searching for a girl that's just like you, 'cause I know it's so high. It's true. Baby, I love you. I never wanna let you go. The more, so there's a thingy. The more I think about, the more I wanna let you know that everything you do is super duper cute, and I can't stand it. Let's sell our shit and run away to Sylvia. It's so hot. Can't hit those notes. That you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your life. Don't want to miss you tonight. I don't want the world to see me, because I don't think that they'd understand. Everything's made to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. just know you're alive. I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think they'd understand. Oh, everything. She's fucking watching me. Everything. Dude, that's crazy. You're precious. Precious cat. Everything's made to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. Did you just like hiccup? The world to see me, 'cause I don't think they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know. Oh, fake. Between the bars, that's so funny that you're saying that, because I was just starting to sing some Elliott Smith. I don't know how to play that. It's like, is that on the first one? Yeah, it might be a full step down. That's it. Girl. Drink up, baby. Stay up all night with the things you can do. You won't budge your mind. The potential you'll be, that you'll never see. Promises you'll only make. I forgot the words right now. It's like people that you've been. Wait. People that you've been before, that you don't want around anymore. That'll push and shove, will bend to your will. Why are you so fascinated by the guitar? That's so interesting. Is it because I'm bad? Could be that. I don't know Sailor Song. I don't know what that is. Aww. Oh, I'm being bit now. Thanks to the Galaxy people. Did a little rounds in here. I'm sorry, baby. You wanna play stuff? Sorry that my live channel's been a little inactive too. I've just, we're just working on the videos for, well, mainly Barry at this point is working on all the videos for my channel on the week that we're doing on my main. and Jake's, but Jake's editing his own. Or he's editing someone. I think he's editing his own. He usually does. But yeah. So. My guitar might be a little out of tune. Your lipstick is yellow, don't bother, angel. I know exactly what goes on. I fucked up right there. Shit, I'm ass. Your lipstick is cold, don't bother, angel. I know exactly what goes on. When everything you'll get is everything that you wanted, which would you prefer? My finger on the trigger, or me face down, down across your floor? Me face down, down across your, just as long as this thing's loaded. Will you tell your friends you've got your gun in my head? This song was only wishful thinking. This song was only wishful thinking. And will you tell your friends you've got your gun in my head? This song was only wishful thinking. This song was only wishful thinking. Let's go. Bother trying to explain, angel. I know exactly what goes on when you're on. How about I'm outside of your window? How about I'm outside of your window? Now will you tell your friends you've got your gun? Doesn't like really work. Down here for? Why are you not laying on your blanket? Are you asleep? No, you're just purring. I'm being bit. Are you teething? I wanna know your plans. I don't know any Motley Crue songs on the guitar right now. I mean, I know I've played Home Sweet Home and stuff, but I don't have it on top of my head how to play that. You know I'm a dreamer, but my heart's a gold. I had to run away high, so I wouldn't come home. Love just went always right doesn't mean they're always wrong. Just take this song and you'll never be left all alone. Stupid shit. Take me to your heart, fill me in your bones. Just one more night, and I'm coming off this long and winding road. I'm on my way. Wait, what's the chord? I don't know the next chord. I need it, but maybe it's a B. No. Is that right? I'm on my way. I don't know the chord. It might be. I'm on my way home, sweet home. Alright, maybe it goes back. Maybe. I don't know when we go to the beat. Tonight, I'm on my way. I'm on my way home, sweet home. I don't know. I tried to remember it. Sometimes I forget stuff. Angels. No surprises. I know how to play that, but I just need to look at it again. Okay. Angels. What is it? Don't speak. I don't know how to play Don't Speak. I'd have to look it up. And I'm not on my computer right now. Okay. Don't fade away from me anymore. I need some peace. You're like an enemy. I never knew just what you'd be. You look so lovely. It's so tempting the way you want to. Is she around? Destroy everything. I can't help it. Begin to forget how to exist, how to live. Angel of death, I love looking right back at all my regrets. I've come back down to haunt me. You look so beautiful, but you know it's so complicated. I'll die before I live. With the venomous heart you gave me, I'm slowly losing my own sanity. Your spirit's just always on me. I can feel you all around. You look so lovely. You look so evil. You know it's true. And I can't ever. I'm fucking up, sorry. Oopsies. You look so evil, you know it's true, and I can't ever shake off you. I know it's tragic what you put me through. You gave me heaven, it took it to angel of death. I love looking right back at all my regrets. I've come back down to haunt me. You look so beautiful, but you know it's so complicated. I'll die before I live. Of looking right back at all my regrets. I've come back down to haunt me. You look so beautiful, but you know it's so complicated. I'll die before I live. Anyways, that was fun. Mercy hit her ball under the thing. Alright, I've been on for a while. Hi, Amber. Yeah. I appreciate you all. Please, please be nice to Grace. Thank you. Thank you. And, SpongeBob, yeah. Okay. My back is hurting. Oh my god. The fucking tattoo hurts so bad now. All of a sudden, oh. It's like, feels like little like ants biting onto my back. Wow. Holy fuck. Oof. Alright, I'll see you guys. Bye.